The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Western DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hendersonville to 6 miles east of Spring Hill, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Woodbury, Carthage, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Nolensville, Lakewood, Watertown, Gordonsville, Hermitage, Walter Hill, Rural Hill and Antioch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 214 and 263. Interstate 24 between mile markers 53 and 91. Interstate 840 between mile markers 34 and 76. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. Tornado watch